Hi students, in this video I'm going to give you a quick guide to this class's extra credit assignment using digital humanities and the study of digitized manuscripts. And so I'm going to begin with a new tab. I'm going to go to annotate.metascriptor.org. Log in at the top here. Then I'm going to click Sign In with Metascriptor. And here we are. This is the page that you should see. You should see the collection, and then you should see this item, Bodleian Library, Manuscript Loud, Miscellaneous, number 569. That's the name of the manuscript of the Life of Charlemagne by Einhard, this particular document that we're going to read, or that you're going to analyze for this extra credit assignment. I click on the manuscript itself. We'll bring up the manuscript. Another way to get to this page is to click on the annotation tool that you see here. It's open manifest for editing. Now I'm going to go to Folio 1 Recto. That's basically the same as page 1, or the front side of page 1. And you see we have here Folio 1 Verso, that means the back side of page 1. So I'm going to go to the first page. And now I've divided this manuscript among all of you, so you're going to want to make sure you start with your own section. And then I'm going to zoom in a little bit, go up to the top of the page. I'm going to go over here where it says Toggle Annotations. I'm actually going to zoom out to make it a little easier for us all to see. Okay, so now I have the annotation toolbar, and I'm going to pull up each different type of annotation that I'm going to suggest that you do as part of this exercise. And you can do more if you want to. So I'm going to make a rectangular annotation. I'm going to make the color red. And I'm going to draw a box around this word, Carolus. And in here I'm going to write Latin term Carolus Magnus, which is the next word. And I'm going to hit save. I'm going to do another one. So you can identify the Latin word, or you can translate it into English. So for the English translations, I'm going to put it in blue. This time I'm going to make a box around Magnus. I'm going to write English translation Charlemagne. Save. And now you can also put pictures of the different concepts that you bring up. And so now I'm going to go to Google. I'm going to pull up an image of Charlemagne. Always like this one. I'm going to copy the image. I'm going to go back to my annotations page. This time I'm going to make an oval annotation. I'm going to draw that over here. And here I'm going to paste the picture. And save. I want to make the color. Can I make the color different here? That would be ideal. It's not done there. Maybe I can just, yes. Try and make this one green. Well, I'm not quite sure how you change the color after it's already uploaded, but I'm fine. Like whichever color you choose is not going to be a big deal to me. And so my goal for this exercise is to see how much of this manuscript we can fill with annotations, with the different Latin words that we identify. There's some kind of interesting stuff that's been written in the margins here. I'm here to help you in any way that I can. Just let me know what I can do to help you, and we'll take it from here. So I hope you enjoy this opportunity to gain some extra credit, to gain some experience in digital humanities and the study of digitized manuscripts, which is really one of the growing fields that's connected with majoring in the humanities. So I hope this is helpful, and I hope it's enjoyable.